Open Control Panel. Now click on Uninstall a program. Choose the program you want to uninstall and click on the Uninstall button. Now follow default uninstall process. Now we need delete cache from system folder. You need to delete from this 2 folders. Now clear temp folder. Open Registry Finder as administrator. Press Ctrl+F and type your uninstalled software name and click on Find. Now select all results and delete the registry. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.